Everyone. My name is Jasmuza, and today I will present about safety and environmental responsibility in electronic fabrication. This topic is very important because safety protects us and sustainability protects our environment. In electronic fabrication, we work with tools, chemicals, and machines, so we must always follow safety rules and protect the environment. This is presentation. I will talk about PPE, standard operating procedure, chemical safety, waste handling, and sustainability practice. By understanding these areas, we can work safely and reduce harm to the environment. Safety is the most important part of any electronic lab. If we follow safety rules, we can prevent injuries and accidents. Workplace also must follow regulations to avoid legal problems. This is why using PPE and following SOPs is not optical. It is compulsory for everyone. Good safety helps the lab run smoothly and keeps everyone safe. Personal protective equipment PPE. PPE protects our body from dangers. First, safety goggles protect our eyes from spark, chemicals, and flying debris. Next, gloves protect our hands from heat, sharp objects, and harmful chemicals. We also wear aprons or lab coats to protect our clothes and skin from chemicals or burns. And finally, closed-toe shoes protect our feet from falling tools or hot solder. Using PPE is the first step in keeping yourself safe. SOP for tools, soldering, iron, and drill. Now let's talk about standard operating procedure for tools. For the soldering iron, always hold it by the insulated handle because the metal tip is extremely hot. Never touch the hot tip and always return it to the stand after use. For the drill, make sure the material is tightly secured before drilling. Keep your fingers away from the drill bit and do not push the drill too hard. Let the drill cut at its own speed. These steps help prevent injuries and improve work quality. Etching chemicals are common in PCB fabrication, but they are dangerous. Before handling any chemicals, always wear gloves and goggles. Use these chemicals only in a well-ventilated area or under a fume hood. Never touch or smell the solution and avoid spilling it. After finishing your work, wash your hands properly with soap and water. This step protect you and the people around you. Besides safety, we must also protect the environment. We can reduce material waste by planning PCB designs properly so we don't create unnecessary scrap. We also should conserve energy by turning off soldering irons, machine and light when they are not needed. Wherever possible, we should reuse components or materials to reduce waste. This small action help make electronics fabrication more sustainable. Electronics fabrication creates waste like scrap PCBs and used etching solution. This waste can be harmful if not handled correctly. We must always follow the right disposal rules to avoid environmental damage. Hazardous waste must be stored in clearly labeled containers. Improper disposal can poison the environment and also lead to penalties. So waste must be managed carefully and responsibility. In Malaysia, hazardous waste is classified under the Environmental Quality Act 1974. For electronics fabrication, the important waste codes are SW204, metal hydroxide sludge, SW205, spent etching solution, SW104, electronic waste such as PCB scrap. This waste must only be collected and processed by licensed collectors. Following these codes ensure we protect and we protect the environment and follow the law. In conclusion, safety and environmental responsibility are both very important in electronics fabrication. Safety protects people and sustainability protects our planet. By using PPE, following SOPs, and disposing of waste correctly, we create a safer workplace and a cleaner world. Good safety and good sustainability also help us produce higher quality work. That's all from me. Thank you.